Hey everyone, welcome back to SAP MM Hub. In this video, let's understand the complete P2P cycle in SAP MM with real-time business examples, T codes, and tables. Let's begin. Step 1. Purchase Requisition Creation using ME51N. Imagine a company called ABC Manufacturing. The production teams needs 100 units of raw material, example steel rods. To initiate the purchase, the user creates a purchase requisition using T code ME51N. Here we mention material number, quantity, plant and delivery date. Once saved the PR, the PR number is generated. You can display by using ME53N. Step 2. Vendor selection and source determination. The purchasing department now identify potential vendors. They can create request for quotation using ME41, record vendor quotation using ME47, and compare prices using ME49. If the vendor details are already available, the system picks them automatically from the source list or info record. Step 3. Purchase order creation. Once the vendor is finalized, the purchase requisition is converted into purchase order using ME21N. The PO contains vendor name, material quantity, price, and delivery terms. For example, vendor name Tata Steel Ltd, material steel rods, quantity 100 units, price 500 per unit. Step 4. Goods receipt. When the material arrives at the plant, the storekeeper performs a goods receipt using MIGO code against the purchase order. This updates stock quantity and creates a material movement. We can use movement type 101. Step 5. Invoice verification. After goods receipt, the vendor sends an invoice. The finance team posts this using MIRO invoice verification. This step compares POGR with invoice. Once posted, it created accounting document and update vendor liabilities. Step 6. Vendor payment. Finally, the payment is made to vendor using F53 for manual payment or F110 for automatic payment. Summary of P2P cycle follows these six key steps: purchase requisition, RFQ and vendor selection, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice verification, and vendor payment. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SAP MM Hub for more SAP MM content explained in simple words. Comment below which topic you want to next.